Hello kids, let's learn some 2D and 3D shape. These are our colors. This is blue color, black color, fluorescent yellow, red color, olive green, dark green, sky blue, light green, brown color, yellow color, peach color, pink color. Now let us draw these shapes. This is black color. It is smiley. It is a emoji. Equilateral triangle. It is cross. It is rhombus or diamond. It is cube. Rounded rectangle. Now let us color the shapes. This is peach color. It is smiley emoji. Olive green color. It is equilateral triangle. It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. All sides are equal and it is a 2D shape. Red color. It is cross. It looks like addition symbol. Yellow color. It is rhombus or diamond. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a 2D shape. Pink color. Light green color. It is 3D shape. It is a cube. It has 6 faces. It is blue color. It is rounded rectangle. 4 corners are round in shape. Kids, let us recall shape's name and color name once again. This is smiley emoji, peach color. This is equilateral triangle, olive green color. Cross, red color. Rhombus or diamond, yellow color. Cube, pink color and green color. This is rounded rectangle, blue color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.